downtown OKC. We are live from the Paycom Center. Let's go! Tonight, the Lakers take on the OKC Thunder.
And LeBron gets blocked by Chet. And then the cleanup by AD. The last week and a half, he's had an 8-block game and a 7-block game. And there he hits the 10-foot jump shot.
And that's the other thing about him. Offensively, he can do so many things.
How about Gilgeous-Alexander? Reddish was all over him. Taurean Prince, he's on a tear from the outside. Lakers turned it over way too many times against Minnesota, too. AD, smooth, just inside the free throw line. We're tied at 6. Prince, nothing but net.
Continues his fine shooting from the perimeter.
It's going to be a wide open shot if he wants it. He'll fire it up and hit it. J-Dub, as he's known, Jalen Williams, does a little bit of everything. AD, sweet, right to the rim.
Chet Holmgren goes to the floor.
Holmgren leans in.
Look at that. Put it on the deck, picks it up, shoots the floater.
This is one of the noisiest buildings in the league. When this team is good and this crowd gets going. Wide open is Rui. Got it! Hachimura. I mean, he could easily be in the starting line. Good move by LeBron. He goes to the other side with the left hand and scores.
It's a good look on the interior, too, by Cam.
Oh, throw it down! Throw it down, LeBron! SGA going all the way. Beats LeBron to the rim. Reeves hangs in the lane and scores. 6 to shoot. So Gilgeous-Alexander once again into some action. Williams from the outside. That's Kenrick Williams on its way. Weak side battle. It's tapped and Rui comes up with it. Ahead of the pack. Lakers have a 2-on-1. Right it up and in. Austin Reeves. That's a good decision. 3:17. Count it. 3:17 to go in the quarter. That's going to be an and one. Cross court to D'Lo. Rui. Already hit one from the outside, leans in and scores. So Hachimura's got a couple. Hope you're enjoying it on Spectrum Sportsnet, wherever you may be. Hachimura's got the hot hand in the quarter. Gilgeous-Alexander surveys the situation. He's got control of things. Backs up, creates space, and knocks it down. Gilgeous-Alexander. Joe is open in the corner. Throw it down, Rui! Slam dunk with one hand on a good entry. Joe, of course, is a really good one. Look at him, splitting the defense. Oh, get that out of here, said Anthony Davis. The Lakers are down, but they lay it up and in. Hachimura, they didn't work it all the way down, but they certainly take the bucket. Williams at the buzzer, got it. Got it.
They had the Lakers in chase mode.
Russell rattle it in.
At the mercy of the offensive team most of the time.
2019 fifth year, double by Russell. Good mid-range shooter. Hachimura, the quick turn and shot. What a half for Rui. Prince, boy, he doesn't shoot twos a lot, but he's got that one. And the Lakers lead by 9. AD, you know, AD called this a must-win game the other night. Gilgeous-Alexander, Stu just mentioned it, a fresh 14, so he's got a little bit of time to work with. He's working on Anthony Davis, just out quick into the basket. Austin Reeves, down low to AD, kisses it high off the glass for 2. Williams, good shot.
That's nice.
Wow.
That is really nice.
And here comes Austin, the lob, the jam, throw it down, Cam Reddish. Here is AD, 16 feet away, and he's got the first basket of the second half. Right now it's the starting 5, the new starting 5, the 8th different lineup for the Lakers.
There's a second chance 3 there.
And LeBron, boy, just brings it down and buries the 3. Timeout, OKC. Holmgren, Reddish challenges him and scores. LeBron with a head of steam. Here comes the train down the track to score. Williams, lob under to Holmgren. Oh, look out, look out.
Yeah, Prince got under him a little bit.
AD into the corner, Rui Hachimura. He's 8 for 11 in the game. He's hit 3 threes. Underneath all the way. And the dunk by SGA. LeBron gonna go from long distance. Hello from downtown. 4-on-2. Lob, throw it down. AD, that's the way you run the break.
There's Cam with the steal.
AD averaging 25 and a half. And the steal results in a 3. He came in with 9 steals over his last 4. He's the top 15 in the NBA in steals. With 3, with 2, Reeves. Count it!
4-point
Count
play.
it! Welcome back to Oklahoma, AR.
4-point play.
Davis straight away.
Boy, it's really contagious.
Alexander, just a little push on Reeves, just to give himself enough room to score. At the other end, score by James. Holmgren is there. Well, he couldn't do it because he had 3 around him. And Alexander hits a 3. Underneath is AD, beautiful. Nice. Anthony Davis. The cut by Vando. Got it!
Oh, he's down.
Yeah,
is he
hurt.
okay?
I think so. Shea got it again. Well,
he's
how
just...
much of Shea are we going to see in the fourth
Oh
quarter?
my goodness, all of it.
Third times. Now to Wallace. Oh, the good cut that time by Williams. Boy, just flashed right to the bucket. Russell with Holmgren, over Holmgren. Got it! Yes, sir! Holmgren guarded by LeBron. Smooth. Swing at Reeves. Reeves, great dish. Really a good dish. Williams all the way. Oh, Torian Prince! Block party. Lay it up and in with no resistance. Timeout.
Yeah, Lakers need it down to 13.
LeBron hangs in the air and scores.
That's just overpowering the defense, though.
Williams bumps into Rui Hachimura. Chet Holmgren in the corner. So they get a 3 for 2. LeBron got one guy in the air and he muscles it up and in. It's Alexander. Oh, the rebound by Holmgren. There's about 2 guys in the league who can make that rebound. The other one is named Wembanyama. Davis, good!
Anthony Davis says so much for that issue. Let me get this deuce and quiet the crowd.
Now it's Lou Dort. LeBron is sizing him up! Williams, they're the ones who have to be perfect now, and Williams scores! LeBron, yes sir! The king! Big night for LeBron. Williams, well, they're not messing around. They're coming right back. It's firing. LeBron, all the way, wanted contact, gets it, and one! Count it! LeBron's got it with 5. He's going to try another 3. Mr. LeBron James, show your respect to the man. Williams, got it. Look at that, right back, huh? Here is Alexander, back and forth. He puts it up and in.
Less than a minute. Now you really want, if necessary, 24-second violations.
It's stolen. It's scored. Isaiah Joe, that's not what you want.
Well, that's not a kickball. I mean, it went off his leg.
Yeah.
It wasn't an intentional act.
Lakers living large. The block from behind by Williams. 40 for LBJ. AD with 26, 21 for Rui. 6 Lakers in double figures. They shot 52%.
What a great team effort, man. What a great team effort.